Imagine a show that keeps you awake all night. A series that plays with your mind after every episode. And a film so gripping that you can't even blink. Well, 2025 is bringing an OTT storm with top platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Jio Cinema, and Sony Live, dropping some of the most anticipated thrillers, horrors, and mystery packed stories of the year. So, tighten your seatbelts, grab your popcorn, because entertainment is about to go off the chart. Let's start with April 4. Test on Netflix. A high stakes sports drama. This cricket based film is not just about the game, it's about passion, struggles, and redemption. Witness how a player fights on and off the field to prove himself. If you loved Inside Edge or 83, this one's for you. Then, Chamak 2 on Sony Live. Music, Crime and Chaos. The sequel to the hit musical crime drama is here. Set in the gritty world of Punjabi pop music. This series dives deep into the dark side of fame, betrayals and rivalries. If you are a fan of musical thrillers, this one is a must-watch. Then, April 11. Chori on Prime Video. Horror that will haunt you. The spine-chilling horror film returns with Nusrat Bharucha leading the way. More ghosts, more nightmares, and more terrifying secrets await as she faces new supernatural horrors. If you love Thambar or Stree, prepare yourself for sleepless nights. Then, Legend Hanuman 6 on Jio Cinema. A mythological spectacle. The animated saga of Lord Hanuman continues in its 6th season with bigger battles, deeper mythology, and an epic clash between good and evil. This is a must-watch for mythology lover and kids alike. April 18, Ghati on Prime Video. A dark and gripping thriller. Set in the mystic valleys of India, this thriller follows a journalist who stumbles upon a dangerous conspiracy. But the deeper he digs, the more he realizes. If you love crime dramas with intense storytelling, this one's for you. April 24. You Season 5, Netflix. Joey Goldberg's deadly return. This is it, the final season of the psychological thriller that took the world by storm. Joey Goldberg is back with more obsession, deception, and bloodshed. Will he finally get caught, or will he escape once again? Expect major twist and an explosive finale. April 25, Jewel Thief on Netflix. A high-stake heist thriller. Inspired by real-life jewelry heist, this film is packed with thrilling chases, unexpected betrayals, and mind-blowing twists. Think Money Heist meets Ocean's 11. If you love crime thrillers, this one's unmissable. Love Yapa on Netflix. A rom-com with a twist, a light-hearted romantic comedy packed with unexpected drama and modern-day relationship struggles. If you loved Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na or Love Aajkal, this one's your pick. Chhaava on Netflix. A grand historical epic. Vicky Kaushal's period drama finally arrives on OTT. Based on the life of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, the film captures his battles, betray and legacy. If you are a fan of historical dramas like Bajirao Mastani, get ready for a cinematic treat. So which movie or series are you most excited about? Drop your picks in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe because the best entertainment updates are right here. See you in the next one.